How to turn business account into personal account on Instagram. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. So let's get started right away. Well, it is actually super easy to do, but for some people, their settings might have already updated or some not. So if I go to my settings still look like the old settings that it has always been in, but I've seen for some people that it is updated when they have a business account. So for me, it's actually very easy. All I want to do is simply now go to account once I am actually in the settings. And at the bottom, I can see switch account type. Now I can switch back to personal or creator. And yeah, if you want to go to personal, then simply click on there. Right. But for some people, their whole settings might have changed. So if that is the case for you, then you can see a tab that says like business settings or whatever. And it is not this one over here, but if you click on there, then you can see towards the bottom, change account type. So I'm not sure why Instagram would just randomly change everything up again, but yeah, that's how Instagram is. So I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time. Have a good day.